Hi guys, with another video. In this video I will show you how you can cut this wood straight with using the Rafter square and circular saw. What we're gonna do, how much we're gonna cut first, we have to decide. Let's say, I will say that 3" I will cut it. Just mark the 3" here. Alright, and straight line like this. So we're gonna go ahead and cut with this circular saw. What are you gonna use it? How are you gonna do it? This side of the edge, that comes this line right here while you cut. Also you put the Rafter square and just spring, put tight, not move the wood anything, just right. Sorry, hold on a minute. So you're just gonna use this edge for this one to get the line right there. Not this one, not the left side of the edge, but right side of the edge. You just hold on the close to line and put the Rafter square and just go ahead and open it, but this circular saw is gonna touch the Rafter square. This is right. This is the way it is. And check it out and open it, the circular saw. This is the way it is. Yeah, just straight. Can put it this, and then I can show you how it's straight. It's straight. You can try one more time. What we're gonna do? Let's get the new one right here. And what we go, let's say we're gonna cut the 3" from here. Just here, 3". Then put this one here and make a line like that. Okay. Then after that, pull it this and bring the circular saw. As I said, the right side of edge, you're gonna use it this side to connect this. What is the line? So you're gonna be like this, not like this. This way. All right. Okay, bring the Rafter square and just touch it, but you have to put the straight, hold on the straight to touch this Rafter square right very well, and adjust this one very close to this line, and right there, see, as you see, right? This is the way it is. And tight the wood with your hand and open the circular saw and start to cut. Yeah, this is it is. Yeah, that's why little bit is. Let me see. Like we can check it out. How straight is. Yeah, straight. See? Oh, little. I think a little bit. No, it's. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, that's good. But if you move a little bit while you're cutting, and you can make it off, you can maybe tight this wood right here. Then you put this rafter square, then it's not gonna move while you're cutting. You shouldn't move. I mean, your hand shouldn't move. I think I move little bit, but yeah, we can. You can try that, not move, and you can tie the bolt right here, and you put this, and it's not gonna move. Then you can cut it. That's right. Yeah, this is it, guys, and this was the all about the video. I hope I am helpful to you guys. This is the material I used it, and tools I use it. Circular saw, rafter square, and wood. That's it. And thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.